Oops. Awesome. Hey there, nature lovers. Welcome back to the channel, Sandra Fostering. My name is Sandra Foster, and on this channel, we do all things nature. Today, as you can see, I'm in my backyard, surrounded by flowers, and the guava tree is just above me. And I'm telling you guys, look at the guavas. This is what the birds have done to them, and because the tree is so tall, I cannot get to them. And as a result of that, I cannot get to have any of the fruits because the tree is so tall. So today, I am going to be creative and do a little DIY project in nature to recapture nature. And that is, I'm going to be doing a fruit picker so that I can get the fruits at the top and so that the birds can have less fruit and I can have a little bit more. So join me on that simple DIY project. Alright guys, so I'm just going to be needing simple materials. A rod, maybe a mop stick rod or a piece of sturdy stick, as well as a bottle, a juice bottle, something like this. I'm just going to cut off, I've just cut off the top of this one using a pair of scissors. So I've just cut the top off so it looks just like that. And I've attached with electrical tape the rod to the spout of the bottle. And because this is not long enough, I'm going to attach it to this. And it is heavy and sturdy as well, so that will give it some amount of weight. So all I'm going to do is just quickly attach it using the electrical tape. So I hope the tape is going to be strong enough to hold it. Still not strong enough yet. This looks strong enough. This looks strong enough. So I'm just gonna cut it right there. So strong enough and hopefully long enough. So let's try it out. So there's a beautiful guava up there, all the way up. And these fruits are so huge that, you know, it can barely fit in the cup. Oops, not getting it at all. Awesome. Oops. Awesome. Got it with even the stem, guys. Look at that. Right, guys, so see, fruit is so big that it could hardly hold in it, but it got it out. Stem and all. Beautiful, rich fruit. And see, it's not overripe, harvested in time. Harvested in time. So guys, there you have it. A simple DIY project. Just cheap materials, plastic bottle, little piece of tape, some rods, and there you have it. Wonderful, awesome, creative fruit picker where you can get your fruit without being damaged by the birds. Rich and healthy, superfood, organically grown. You can try this project.